This Christmas, try my Peppermint White Russian. To make my Peppermint White Russian, I'm gonna first start with rimming my glass with peppermint candy that I've crushed up and some chocolate syrup. So I'm gonna put the chocolate syrup on the edge. This is like a cocktail and a dessert. We're gonna put peppermint all the way around the edge, and then I'm gonna take chocolate syrup and kind of drizzle it around the edge of the glass as well, because I wanna get that chocolate flavor in the White Russian. So our glass is ready. Now we're gonna take ice in our shaker. Then we're gonna take whipped cream vodka. If you don't have whipped cream vodka, just use regular. So we're gonna do 3 ounces of that. We're gonna do 3 ounces of Kahlua and 3 ounces of half and half. Like I said, this is a dessert and a cocktail all in one. And then for peppermint flavor, we're gonna do a little dash of peppermint extract. Just a little dash, peppermint flavor. And we're gonna shake this up. And open that. Pour that right in this glass. That looks delicious. I'm gonna sprinkle a little peppermint candy on top. And this cocktail is ready. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Happy holidays.